Samsung Galaxy A53 go on sale before official launch. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy A53 is around the corner where we will see this tomorrow, but there are multiple markets where we see this device go on sale before it was officially launched in Serbia and Kenya. But now some other countries are also joining to sell this device before this official launch. Samsung Galaxy A53 will going to launch tomorrow on 17th of March 2022 at 2 PM GMT, and Samsung is planning to release 3 A series devices: A33, A53 and A73. And Samsung is planning to give you guys a surprise along with your Galaxy A series devices. We also get Geekbench score of Galaxy A53, which is not amazing. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you going to get Galaxy A53 5G? Samsung Galaxy A53 Geekbench score was leaked a while ago, where we see 686 single core score and 1874 multi-core score, which is kinda bad compared to Galaxy A73. We're not confirmed if these figures are real or not, but Galaxy A53 5G will going to use Exynos 1200, which makes this feel real, because we already see the poor performance by Exynos processor in other devices like Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos variant. Samsung is planning to give you guys a gift along with your Galaxy A series devices. According to That Perfect PFP on Twitter said, Galaxy Buds Live for Galaxy A series early bird. These Galaxy Buds normally cost $99.99. I think you'll get this offer with pre-orders since Samsung done the same thing last year, and the last year offer was for all Galaxy A series devices. So hopefully this time it will be the same. Samsung Galaxy A53 unboxing video was out from Vietnam owned YouTube channel, where we get the idea of device and what it will be look like and what in the box. Well, this time you guys will not get 25 watt of fast charger in the box, only USB Type-C will be available. There are 2 countries where we see the listing of Galaxy A53, which is in Serbia and later it was in Kenya. And according to listing, Galaxy A53 will cost you around $400. Samsung Galaxy A53 comes with 120Hz Super Amoled Infinity O display. There will be 2 variants of A53, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 256GB. And Galaxy A53 comes with 4500 mAh battery and 25 watt of fast charging. Galaxy A53 will have 4 lenses on the back: 64 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth and 5 megapixel macro, and 32 megapixel selfie camera. Let's see how well the Exynos 1200 will perform. We can just hope for it. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you going to get Galaxy A53 5G? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.